Hi, this is Bob. I'm going to show you how you can work with the Argo Explorer. You can navigate around the tools to use it, in your project, or if you're not a developer, maybe a usual, normal user, and you want to understand how to use Argo Explorer. So I'm going to show you this video. So I'll be sharing my screen now. Okay, all right. So So here is AlgoExplorer. You can see from here, you go to algoexplorer.io. So then it takes you to this page. This is more or less like a tool that lets you interact with the blockchain, the Algorand blockchain. So it helps you to be able to search data and and get information relating to what you need. So right now, if you want to toggle between networks, click here. You can either, if you net testnet or betternet as a developer, you mostly work with the testnet or the betternet. So a lot of times I work with the testnet. Yes, now I'm switching to testnet. You can see from me now I'm back on testnet. So but for this tutorial I'm going to be using the mainnet. I'm going to be using the mainnet. Back to the mainnet. Okay. All right. So now you can see from here, this is the latest block. You see the number is changing each at every 4.4 minutes, 4.4 seconds, 4 seconds and 44 milliseconds. A block is being generated on the Algorand blockchain. You can see now this block number is changing. You can see it's changing. So this is where you can see all this information, and this shows you the circulating supply of the Argo token. You can see about 3 billion tokens in circulation, and you can see the total supply, which is the total asset that can be in supply in the token lifetime. Here you can find it. This is the amount of Argo token that is being staked online. This is online staking. About over 2 billion tokens is being staked. So this is the current price of Argo. This is the current price of Argo, and this is the block transaction speed. That at every between 4 seconds and 5 seconds, a block is being produced on Algorand network, which is super fast, very fast, and the block finality is 4.4 seconds at this time. So you can see that, and here transaction history. In fact, you can see the date: 24 November, 25, 26. Today is 30. It's 30 November. I'm sorry, up to 30. Today is 1st of December. It's up to 30 November. You can see from here, and here you can see the latest block that have been generated. Here you can see 503, 503, 504. You can see this is 505, 505. You can see here now it's popping up. Another one is being 506, 506 is popping up here. So this is what the block of transactions that have been generated on the Algorand blockchain, and the block contains several transactions, and these are the transactions. You can say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For instance, as an instance, we can have these 5 transactions in one block. So that is what it means. We have so many transactions in one block. So this lets you interact. You can view all transactions here if you like. Click that. Here you can search through transactions, 70 seconds, 30 seconds. At every second, each transaction is being generated. So let's go back. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can actually do. Here you can click on assets if you want to find information about a specific asset. These are the assets that are running on the Algorand mainnet. You can see this is the USDT. This is the arc. This is the asset name, and this is the asset ID. Here you can see the URL and the creator. So if you want more information about this token, I want more information about USDT, I click on it. It takes me to this page, and you can see more information here. It shows me the circulating supply of USDT on Algorand, about 4 million circulating supply. Total million is about 18 billion token, and this is this unit name. This is the asset ID. I'm going to copy this asset ID because I will need it. I will need it as an example. So this is the reserve address, and this is reserve address. You can find the total supply is being minted and reside in this reserve address. So each time the creator needs to move a token from here, it's going to be used to use the manager address. That is, for an address that has the authorization to move the tokens, which is the manager address. Then you can move. The reserve address can now move the token from the reserve address to whichever address of preference. So the default frozen is false. The number of transfer that has been done is over 25,000 transfer that has been done performed on these accounts. These are token, sorry. And you can see here, these are the recent transaction about 2 hours ago. You can see that an amount of $0 was moved from this account to this account. So, and this is the transaction fee. Transaction fee on Algorand is extremely cheap, very very cheap. So a lot of times I convert my token, my funds to Algo and move it out to the exchange to my wallet. So it's very 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 cheap, profitable for me. So instead of moving Ethereum or whatever. So you can see that here. This is the block I blocked from at the time that this token is moved. This is the block that inside the block which this transaction is contained. It's inside this very block. So that is all about that token. So the technical information about that token is contained here. This is the manager address. This is the freeze address. This address will be able to freeze this token from any account, any address that is holding this USDT token. These accounts can be able to freeze it. Then this is the creation transaction. The time at which this token is being created. This is the transaction hash, and this is the clock back account. Account that can be able to take this token from any account. This account is being given the power. So this is the decimal number of this token. That means the number at which this token is divisible by 6. So that's all about that. So let's go back. Okay, so here top statistics. Let me show you something here. So here you can see this is the account that is holding the highest amount of Algo token. This is the account. There's about 301 million Algo token in this very 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 address. So you can see that information here. Then you can go to the top statistics. Which shows, okay, you can see this is a graph. This is a graph of what you saw there. Transactions on the blockchain. Okay, you can see we already saw this one. This is it. When you see this transaction is being generated 15 seconds, 12 seconds. You can view blocks separately. This is showing, that one is showing only transaction. This is showing the block separately from all the from the interface. So this is a block reward 37 ago, and this is 18 transaction. So now we have 18 transaction that is being included in this very block. Like I told you, here now we have 25 transaction. 20 transaction is being mined inside this block, and we have even as low as 12, 14. It can be more than that. This one we have 51. Wow, we have 51. It can be more than that. That is the amount of transaction that are being performed within that time that the block is being generated. So a block is being generated at every 4.45 seconds, as you saw here. As you saw here the other time. Let me show you. Okay, here the block is being produced at 4.5 seconds. That is currently. So you can see that is all about that. So let me show you one more tools here. The reward calculator. Okay, you can come here, you navigate around the world, you check around to see how you can familiarize yourself with this. Current annual yield 7.53%. Algo is one of the best performing tokens. So I'm really impressed with the way Algo is going right now. Okay, seeking reward Algorand testnet dispenser. I want to show you something here. Okay, so if you want to dispense, if you are working on a project and you want to quickly test your project, test your code if it's working, and you need to fund an address with some Argo token, so you have to switch to the testnet. Means it's already switched to the testnet. That one cannot work on because the tokens on the testnet do not have value, but the one on mainnet have value. So if you need to test, it is advised that you switch to the testnet or betternet to work with, rather than using the mainnet, because so that you don't lose money. So here you paste your address here, then you select Argo, then you dispense here. If I dispense, it's going to show error. Here. So betternet, if you want to work with the betternet, you can click on that until the editor too. You can see that this display to build. I'm going to discuss extensively about this later. So here, if you want to interact, you want to create a wallet, you can click here. Click here, takes you to my Algorand wallet. So you can quickly create a new wallet. Accept, continue, create a password. Here, confirm the password, then create. The password did not match. Oh, now with the requirements. Okay. Okay. All right. So a wallet has been generated. Okay. An account has been created for me now. So I can decide to add their wallet, new wallet, create a new wallet, or import the existing wallet if you have any money keys, or you check return address and check wallet balance or transaction. So these are the things you can do with this on this page. So right now I have Argo wallet, so I do not really need. So let me show you something. Let me create a new wallet. Create new wallet. Okay, I think I don't need that. I have So mm, all right, so as a developer, you need to be working with API. So right now, if Agorand API V1 is deprecated, it's no longer in use, it has been removed. So you probably be working with the V2. So here you click on the V2, you need the API. Okay, so here you can see these are the parameters you can use while you're working with the V2 API. Transaction pending, transaction parameters. You can see you just come here, you familiarize yourself with it. There are a lot of things you can do there. So that's all about that. So for now, I think I've been able to explain uh, how you can use Argo Explorer, and I hope that you start using Argo for now. Thank you very much.